What if I told you that some of history's greatest battles were swayed not by generals, but by birds? From ancient times to modern warfare, these feathered messengers played silent but deadly roles. First, the pigeon of Verdun delivered a desperate plea that turned the tide in World War I. Then, Napoleon's lost raven, whose failed flight led to a disastrous miscommunication. Third, the Persian war hawks, trained to carry coded threats that terrified enemy armies. Fourth, the carrier pigeon of D-Day, whose message saved thousands of Allied lives. And finally, the falcon of Genghis Khan, whose speed outmaneuvered entire empires. Who knew wings could wield such power? Drop a comment, which bird spy intrigues you the most? And don't forget to subscribe for more untold tales of history's hidden heroes.